Hello, everyone. Thank you for checking out Beyond Beauty Lashes. Lashes for any fashion, home of the best 3D mink lashes and free shipping. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Beyond Beauty Lashes. Today we will be doing a review on one of our amazing hot sellers, 6D16. This teal color wispy set is a must-have, guaranteed to make that special someone happy. Let's get started. First, we're going to remove the excess oils, allowing your mink lash to better adhere to your skin, our lash grippers, and our beautiful decorative lash glue pen. Bian Beauty Lashes offers a variety of different styles to choose from, whether that be for a special occasion or for your everyday wear. Please visit our website at www.beyondbeautylashes.com. Luxury mink lashes you can count on.